Hey there beauties, Jaleesa Charisse here coming at you with a new hair tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pop-in perm rod set using the new Texture ID hair care line from Sally Beauty. So many people say that you can't achieve certain styles when you have 4C hair, but I'm here to say that you can. It's all about technique and the right product. So if you want to learn how to get your perm rod set poppin', keep watching. So I just hopped out of the shower and my hair is wrapped up, but I used the curl clarifying shampoo, which is sulfate free. It also has several beneficial ingredients and it does not strip the hair of the natural oils. I followed my shampoo with the Triple Moisture Cream Conditioner, which serves as an excellent detangler in the shower, and you can also co-wash with it. Now I'm just going to unwrap my hair and move on to the Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, which improves wet and dry combing or brushing, and it is a lightweight spray conditioner, good for curly to coily hair types. And I'm just going to spray my entire head of hair, and I'm going to use my hands to distribute the product. Since I'm going to be blowing out my hair to do this style, I like to section and detangle my hair using a Denman brush. While I'm detangling each section, I'm just going to clip the other hair out of the way using crocodile clips. These are super heavy duty and great if you have a lot of hair. After detangling, I'm just going to twist each section, and this helps each section stay out of my way while I'm blow drying, and it also helps stretch the hair so it's easier to work with. The number of sections may vary depending on how much hair you have, but for me, I like to do about 6 to 8 sections. Okay, so now that my hair is completely sectioned, I'm going to move on to blow drying. So I'm going to be using the thermal multi-styling foam, and this is great for blowouts as well as styling. All I need is one pump of the styling foam, and then I move on to using my Hot Shot Tools blow dryer and Denman brush to blow out my hair. I'm also going to be using a concentrator attachment on my blow dryer to help the direction of the air. For this part, I pass my Denman brush through each section and follow with the Hot Shot Tools blow dryer to straighten and dry my hair. I repeat this process until each section is fairly straightened. Some hair types succeed with their perm rod sets by just simply applying the perm rods, but I think for 4C hair, if you have a lot of shrinkage, it helps to blow out the hair first and then proceed with the perm rods. This will help you get a smoother finish. Now I'm all through with blowing out my hair on medium heat, so I'm going to close my cuticles with a cool shot. Now I'm all done and I can move on to styling. Now on small to medium size sections of my hair, I'm going to be using the styling cream as well as the thermal multi-styling foam again. This is an excellent cocktail for 4C perm rod sets. My favorite perm rods to use are the purple perm rods, which are I think one of the largest, and it's about 18 millimeters round. Okay, so let's talk about applying the perm rod. So I'm gonna let you watch a couple of times and then I'm gonna walk you through it slowly. Alright, beauty, so let's get into it. I take the perm rod and I start in the middle of each section. And I take the lower half and I just kind of wrap it and twist it around the perm rod. And then I twist up on the upper half of the section to the root and lock the perm rod in. If you feel like you need a little bit more time with that part, you can always pause the video and replay. Let's go ahead and speed it back up and finish installing the rest of the perm rods. Once the rods are in, I leave the curls to form overnight, or if you're in a hurry, you can sit under a hair dryer. It is the next morning, my makeup is done, and I'm ready to see what this hair looks like under the bonnet. So let's go ahead and remove it. And I'm just going to clean up the line where my bonnet was with my beauty blender. The entire time I am removing the perm rods, fluffing my hair, separating my hair, whatever, I'm making sure that my fingers are coated with my Silk Elements glossing polish. This stuff right here has been a go-to for me for the last couple of months. It's amazing for helping reduce frizz while you're styling your hair. The perm rods are all out and I'm just going to add a little bit more of that glossing polish to my fingertips before separating my curls. So while I'm separating, I'm just going to separate and kind of curl with my fingers just so it can keep the same shape and nothing gets too fluffed out or too frizzed. I want my curls to be as prominent as possible. Whether I'm doing a twist out, braid out, perm rod set, whatever, I always fluff my hair at the roots using a pick. And so I'm using this one from Sally Beauty just to give my hair a little bit of lift and volume. And of course with volume, that means that my fro will be bigger. And finally, I'm going to finish my edges with a little bit of edge control. One of my favorites from Sally Beauty is the Silk Elements Extra Strength Edge Control. Your edges will be laid all day long. Alright beauties, so that is how I achieved my pop and perm rod set on 4C hair using the new Texture ID hair care line from Sally Beauty. Be sure to check out Texture ID at your local Sally Beauty store or online. And if you love this tutorial, you can follow me on all social media at Jaleesa Charisse for more tutorials and reviews. Don't forget to glow, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Bye!